Falafel, a deep-fried ball or patty made from ground chickpeas or fava beans, has ancient roots and a debated origin. Its history likely begins in Egypt, where it's believed to have originated as a Coptic Christian food during Lent, when meat was avoided. These early versions, made with fava beans and known as *tamia, date back to at least the 4th century. Over time, falafel spread throughout the Middle East, evolving with local ingredients and customs. In the Levant, especially in countries like Lebanon, Syria, and Palestine, chickpeas became the primary base. By the 20th century, falafel had become a popular street food across the Arab world. It was embraced not just for its taste, but also for being nutritious, affordable, and vegetarian-friendly. Falafel also gained cultural significance in Israel after being adopted by Jewish communities, particularly Yemenite Jews. It became a national dish, though this sparked controversy due to its Arab origins. Today, falafel symbolizes both culinary unity and contention in the Middle East. Globally, falafel has become a staple in vegetarian and vegan diets, enjoyed in pita sandwiches or bowls with salads and sauces. Its history reflects a blend of cultural exchanges and regional pride.